comes up bumpkin sound. I'm Curry's cousin, I want to get down. Got 30 acres and Frisian cows. I'm representing Taunton Town. Give me 10p, I'll give you a pound. You don't understand the way I sound. I got ready cheeks and dimples. I like hearing say pure and simple. Takes me out to lunch and I will let you pay. Come into my barn and help me roll some hay. I really want to go scrumping with you, and I will be your Somerset boy. She said, have you met my sister that looks like your dad? I've never been to Yeovil, but I wish that I had. Don't eat foreign food and just prefer chips and pie. I like to point at cars and watch the traffic going by. I talk with all the animals in the countryside. I don't eat lettuce and I like my food to be fried. I speak like Wurzel Gummidge if you'd like me to try. Cause I am just a Somerset boy, a Somerset boy. Take me out to lunch and